This is the presentation of the visualizers team. The title of our work is Network Analysis of Institutional Investments in North American Oil and Gas Industry. So the question that we are trying to answer is that if there is any consistency between the strategies of investments of institutional investors in this sector, and if there is such a consistency or such a trend in their behavioral pattern, how is it going to evolve over time? We extracted the data for our purpose from Thomson Reuters database for the past 10 days, for the past 10 years from 2005 to 2014. And we chose to use the social network analysis as a technique to provide the hidden information from these data. So we chose the Pagec tool and provided the networks between the networks that showed the investors and the companies. So it shows which investment companies have invested in which companies. It almost consists of 2,000 institutional investors and almost 200 companies. However, to extract more information, we have changed this two-mode network into two other networks. The first one is the investors network. The investors network shows an edge between two investors if they both have invested in one company. From this network, we have measured the closeness centrality for each year, and the closeness actually shows how close the companies are and how close their strategies are in investing in some companies. So as you can see, the closeness centrality is increasing over these years from 2005 to 2014. So we can see there is a consistency between the strategical patterns of these investors. And the other network that we chose for the analysis is the companies network. There is an edge between two companies if they both have an investor, a shared investor. So for this network, we have extracted a core degree, which shows a group of companies which have a large number of investors interested in investing them in a long period, and we have found that the core almost remains unchanged over the years. So from these two measures, we have provided some information for the average investors that about the investment trends and core companies that most investors are interested in a long term.